Hello dear students, now we are going to talk about Baby, the last character here as far as our discussion is concerned. Baby is the first child of the protagonist Sonny and his wife Ayla. She is a very talented girl and her talent is displayed in her studies in the school. She is bright in her studies. She is also a very good dancer and she is the darling of her parents. And she is equally, attached to her family. She is so talented that her father thinks that his daughter, Baby, is going to become a doctor. Now, we see that this girl is quite sensitive. She is aware as to what is happening in the school. In fact, through the eyes of Baby, we get to see the side of the school. Because Sonny is looking at the school as a teacher. And Baby is a student in the school, and as a student we see her reactions to what is happening around her. She's a witness to the activities of the black students. She knows the discrimination that is taking place. She sees that how they are not allowed to mingle with the white, how the blacks are also separate from them, how they are the colored people. And so this difference she is noticing as she is growing. Like her mother, she is also not that sympathetic towards the real blacks. And she is very satisfied in her world. She enjoys her studies, she enjoys her dancing, she likes being with her family members, the picnics which are undertaken, all that she likes. And she is quite happy. But life is never in a fixed position and changes are bound to occur. And that happens with Baby also. And she realizes that things take a turn when her father becomes an activist. And they move into the white suburb. And she is noticing that people are coming to her house, secret meetings are taking place. And she is aware as to what is happening. But she is noticing all that from a distance. When her father is detained and when the trial is taking place, she is deeply disturbed. Let us remember that even Baby is an adolescent. When all these things happen, she is also a teenager. Already she is at an age where it is an age of transition and she is bound to be troubled by that. And in addition are the problems now when her father is detained. She is quite responsible. She sees that her mother has taken up a job and she feels that even she should contribute financially. So though she is studying, she takes up a part-time job. And on weekends she is also doing some kind of job and she is making some money and she is trying to help her mother. So we see that she is a sensible girl. She is quite, as I said, responsible. Till that point, things are comparatively okay with the Baby. Though she is disturbed, but her father is still a hero in her eyes. But in the trial, when her father is sentenced for 2 years, she breaks down. She starts crying. She is very attached to her father and she cannot even bear the idea that her father is going to spend so much time in prison. And this is really very, very disturbing for Baby. However, the time passes. She's there to support her mother. She's there to look after her brother also. And she is continuing with her studies. Then when her father comes back, then everyone is very happy. And but she notices her father's relation with Hannah. And this is the point in her life which is very, very devastating for her. She has already started, taking drugs. She has her boyfriends. She's into dating. All these things happen around her and she has joined all that. And she wants her father's attention, and when she does not get that, then she tries to commit suicide. She cuts the veins of her hand. Of course, her mother helps and she intervenes and Dr. Jasood intervenes and her life is saved. But that brings a drift in her life. She is not bothered now, and she prefers to relax her mind through parties and to ease her mind through drugs. She wants to relate with the boys, but she's not getting happiness in those relationships. And some of those boys are revolutionary. And she gets more and more involved in the revolution. I believe somewhere in the back of her mind, she must be thinking that she too should, get involved with the movement like her father. There must be that kind of a, connection with her father's activities. Maybe that influence is there. Maybe she thinks that if she gets into that movement, it will make her understand her father better. And her father may be drawn towards her. Maybe, I'm using the word maybe. And then she is the one who leaves the country. She goes out with those friends of hers, and they join a revolutionary training camp in Lusaka. So she gets a proper training to be an extremist revolutionary, and she also falls in love with one of the boys, and she marries him. She is quite daring, to the extent that she marries this man. She doesn't even know his name. The risk she takes, because they are part of that organization and only the code name is there, and she has married them. And she starts life in a country which is not her country. It's an unknown place. So we see that she has taken her life in her own hands, and she is prepared to face life very boldly. Then she gives birth to a baby, a boy, and before the birth of her son, her mother comes and spends time with her, and her mother starts spending more and more time with her. And there is a pretext that the daughter needs the mother's help because she's going to deliver a baby, and later when the little boy is born, she needs help. So in this way, she gets close to her mother, and baby is the one who now controls her mother's life also. She is the one who makes her mother a revolutionary. She helps her mother to face situations and to carry out all these secret activities, how to store all this explosives and other kind of material, and if she's caught, then how to face interrogation. She's constantly grooming her mother to become an extremist revolutionary, and they are all engaged in the underground activities. Even baby's house is bombed in Lusaka, but luckily she was out, her son, that is the little child, was out. So she is courageous to face anything, and she's ready to take life the way it comes, and she's rather shaped her life in that manner and has groomed her personality also in that manner. Isn't it surprising that though baby is the daughter, it is she who has influenced the mother? Rather than the mother helping her, it is she who has understood the pain of her mother in her mother's relation with Sonny, and she is the one who gives the direction to her mother. She manages the visa of her mother. She manages that her mother is able to jump the bail and leave the country. So she acts as a very strong woman, a very devoted daughter to her mother. She is able to give something to her mother to sustain her life. And in this way, I think that even baby, though she doesn't occupy that much space in the novel, yet she too is a major force. She too is an important character, and we cannot look upon her character lightly. And she's the one because of which her mother is influencing the later course of action in the story. So thus, with this, I think you must have understood the character of baby, and you'll be able to manage your answer. Thank you.